Hey guys, I thought I would just do this short little podcast on completing a 433. Now, if for those of you who do IRS representation and do offers and compromise and installment agreements and uncollectible stuff, you know that everything kind of starts and ends with the 433. Now, for those of you that don't, a 433 is the collection information statement that the IRS uses. It's a financial statement, pure and simple. And there are different versions of it. There's a 433F and an H. The F, they're both for automated collections, the campuses. The F is if you're arguing for uncollectible. The H is if you're requesting a payment plan. Because the H, they're the same, but the H has the payment plan, the installment agreement request built into it. For the field, it's 433A and B. A for the individuals, B for businesses, and for offers, there's a 433A OIC and a 433B OIC. But the 433B is really sort of the nuts and bolts of everything you're going to do in tax resolution. So, completing it is very critical. Now, two things have happened. We went back to all of the offer and compromise workshops we've done over the last 3 years. We had over 4,000 questions posted. We boiled down the top 100 of those questions and wrote up the answers, including citations to the code, the regs, the Internal Revenue Manual. There's a brand new guide that we are putting out. It will be out effective, I think, December 1st. Ebooks should be December 1st. The print books will be ready to ship December 15th. The Insider's Guide to IRS Offers. All right, so I'll put a link to that below if you're interested in that. But part of what came out of that review was that we noted that most people afterwards said, Eric, I like the program. I understand offers now. But how do you complete the 433? Because it is kind of an art form. Where certain things go to, how can you best provide the information to line up your client so their offer goes through? How do you put the package together? So what we decided to do is we're doing this once, we're limiting it to 100 people. So if you listen to this and can get in, I'll put the link in the description. On November 29th from noon to 4 p.m., 4 hours Eastern time, we are going to be doing a virtual workshop on how to do the 433 step by step. All right. So I think this is going to be really useful for you guys who want to take your representation practice to the next level. It is a critical skill for getting your offers through, for evaluating your clients, what their options are. So go below, grab your seat on that while the early bird is available. Again, it's how to complete a 433, November 29th, 12 p.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. Obviously, if you're in a different time zone, you can figure out what the time is. And I think it's going to be extremely helpful. And it seems to be the one thing people keep asking for. If you're interested in the Insider's Guide to IRS Offers, I'll put a link out there to TG Publishing. That's where we have our books. And we are starting a Black Friday sale. So you can go out there. We normally sell the guides for $179 for the ebook. We really stopped doing print books a couple of years ago. For this holiday season, we're cutting the price by 45%, and we're bringing the print books back. So now you can get the ebooks instead of $179 for $99. You want the print book, $129. If you want both, the same $129. All right. If that's not a holiday gift, I don't know what is. So you've got the Accountant's Guide to Collections, Accountant's Guide to Resolving Tax Debts, offers, installment agreements, uncollectible status, the Guide to Resolving Payroll Tax Debts and personal trust fund liability. And now the brand new Insider's Guide to IRS Offers. What it does is it reviews the offer process. It gives you a step-by-step workflow to get through an offer. It has the top 100 Q&A on offers, which I think is going to be incredibly insightful. And we've also given you 75 pages of exhibits, everything to do with offers, all the correspondence, the letters, an addendum, a sample cover letter that we use when we submit our offers, and a sample appeal. When we disagree with the RCP analysis and we're taking our appeal, we've given you a sample of that you can use in your practice, as well as the document checklist. It will really, I think, be extremely helpful for those of you that do offers. And again, remember, special holiday pricing, $99, $129, or get both for $129. So both those links for the 433 program and the Insider's Guide will be in the description. My last plug, if you are not a TaxRep member, but you want to be, and you want all of this stuff, join TaxRep and you get it all for free. You get the 433 program for free. You get the guides for free. You get the 150 hours of on-demand training, the offer workshops for free. The New England Rep Conference, that's free. The Criminal Tax Day in the spring, yeah, that's free. You get to consult with us on cases, it's all free as part of your membership. All right. So with that, guys, have a great week. Take care. Hopefully we'll see you all in the 433 workshop. Hopefully I'll see you all in Vegas in December for our live 2-day summit. And check out the Insider's Guide to IRS Offers. I think you're going to find it extremely useful.